the next video that is going to autoplay will be from your own playlist, which means you share somebody's link, but indirectly you are also promoting your video. This hack is a game changer. If you try it, you will never want to go back. Previously, I made a video where I was freaking out. I was really freaking out because my watch hours were in the toilet. Yes, you heard me right. It was in the toilet. I almost lost everything because of avoidable mistake. And today, guess what? I'm back and I have figured out how to turn things around. In this one, I'm going to be sharing all the tips and tricks I've learned to boost those watch hours. Now I have everything back. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Janet Solomon if this is your first time here. And to all my subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for engaging with my content. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell just so you stay ahead and stay informed with all my latest content. Did you know that even before you hit that upload button, you can give YouTube a huge head start in understanding what your video is all about? This is what I learned to do recently. Then what I do is I make sure to change my file extension name to include the relevant keyword. Let's assume my video is about how to boost your watch hours. So the name of my file extension is going to be how_boost_your watch hours. So it's different from when you have that VID 00000. This method is called metadata. It's like giving YouTube a little hint about the video content. Don't worry if you've done something like this in the past, you forgot to change the name. It doesn't stop people from watching your video. Once I uploaded the video with the right file name and a good and catchy title, the next thing I want to go ahead and do is to add keywords. Now, for every video I shoot, I always have a script to guide me. For these steps, I have a tool I usually use and it is called Google Gemini. I will take all my complete scripts and paste it into Google Gemini. I'm using it because this is developed by Google, the parent company of YouTube. Google is the owner of YouTube and also Google Gemini. I find it useful at generating highly relevant keywords that will do well on YouTube because they own it, so they know what will work better on their platform. So I will now ask Google Gemini to analyze my script and suggest a list of keywords that potential viewers might use to search for similar content. I have a whole tutorial on some free keywords tester you can use. The links is in my description. Next, I will copy all the keywords, paste it back into Google Gemini and ask it to generate a concise, informative description that accurately reflects the video content. This approach helps me to optimize my videos for YouTube search and ensure viewers have a clear understanding of what they can expect before they play my video. Next up is chapter. Chapters are a very fantastic way to add more keywords and give YouTube a deeper understanding of your video's content. I've made a whole video on how you can quickly and easily add chapters to your videos. You can find the link in my description below. Click on it and watch it. Not only do chapters help YouTube, but they also enhance viewers' experience. Most people appreciate it when they can easily navigate your video from one part to another. So while creating chapter, I also plan for video cards. Video cards are those little pop-ups you see to the right corner that links to other relevant videos. So wherever I mention other videos in my script, then after adding the chapters, I will easily add the corresponding video cards at the specific area where I mention or refer to that particular video. It's also a way of promoting your other content if you mention them in that particular video. Now let's talk about the visual aspects of your video, which is our thumbnail. Some thumbnails are just terrible. They don't grab attention. The information there is not well passed. Those are not a good type of thumbnail that will boost your channel. Thumbnail are like your first impression, and just like in real life, first impression matters. So here is what I do. I keep my thumbnails simple and easy to read on any screen size. I also try as much as possible to use the right image that is related to the particular video. So putting an image that is not relevant to what you're actually doing in the video is misleading people, which is not very alright. Some of the tools I use to create my thumbnail, I use Canva a lot because it's super user friendly and have tons of templates where you can just drag and drop, then you just edit it to suit your desire. You can always adjust your title, your thumbnail, and even some aspects of your metadata after you might have uploaded your video through your YouTube studio, either on your mobile phone or your PC. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a full video tutorial on how I design and create my own thumbnail. Now let's talk about another important thing you can do to your video, which is the end screen. These are crucial parts of keeping viewers engaged on your channel. I always carefully select the videos I feature in my end screen, closely related videos or those that consistently performed well. Overloading viewers with too many options can make them to be confused. So picking one particular one for them to watch is actually a way of retaining them. And of course, I always include a prominent subscribe button, especially if I think the video might attract new viewers. This combination encourages viewers to explore more of my channel and potentially subscribe to my channel. Now that we are done with all the necessary setups, let's talk about YouTube Premiere. Instead of immediately posting your videos, consider setting them as premiere, which means you are scheduling them. This gives YouTube time to analyze your videos and determine the best audience to show your videos to. Now, one of the most important things you should never do after posting your video is sharing your video link. I know the joy and the excitement we all have after editing and posting our videos. The next thing you want to do is to share with friends and family or share with our community so they can come and watch it. But the damage this can cause to your video is that when you share it with friends and family and they click on that video, and instead of watching the video to the very end, they just watch like few seconds out of the video and they leave the video. Now, this is going to send a wrong signal to YouTube, telling YouTube algorithm that your content is not engaging enough and that video is not going to get promoted. So what you can do instead is to tell them to search for you on YouTube, search for your name, and then watch that particular video. Encourage them to watch the video to the very end. They should like and also leave a comment. Now, this is now going to send the right signal to YouTube that, oh, there's something about your channel or there's something about that particular video that is making people to come to YouTube to search for you. So your channel is going to get promoted, your video is going to get promoted, and this will boost your watch hours rapidly. It's always good to let YouTube analyze viewers' behavior organically. This allows YouTube to gather valuable data about who is watching, how long they are watching, and how they are interacting with your videos. One of the things you don't want to avoid whenever you post your videos is that you don't want to leave your community just like that. When someone comments under your video, make sure you respond to them. I've made several videos talking about this particular thing. Engaging with your community will help them to bond with you. Like, it shows that you are connected to them. And one thing you also need to do is that immediately after posting your video, you have to pin a comment. One of the type of comment you can pin is a comment that can trigger a conversation. You can use your comment to ask like a question. Like for this particular video, I can write something like, out of all these tips, which one will you be trying out in your next video? By the time I write this in my comment section and I pin it and somebody reads it, this is going to trigger a conversation even before they watch my video. One of the ways you can promote your video without sharing your video links is to create a trailer or highlights to promote your actual video. I'm not saying you cannot actually share your video links, so you can share your video links, but it's always better if you can wait for a day or two before you share it. This will allow YouTube to do its job. You can post the thumbnail of that particular video in your social media, maybe on your Instagram story or TikTok. Then you add a music. This way, then you can write a caption under it. This way, you are telling your viewers that, oh, you have a new video on YouTube now, they can go and watch it. So this will also help prevent you sharing the links immediately after posting the video. This is another fantastic way you can promote your video without sharing it, by creating trailer, or you create a highlight, or you share the thumbnail on your other platform instead of posting the links on for that particular video. To keep your channel organized and help viewers easily find what they are looking for whenever they come across your channel is for you to create relevant playlists. Here is how to go about it. Go to your YouTube homepage, click on Customize Channel, select Home tab, and turn this icon on. If yours is off, you can turn it on. This will enable your visibility. After that, click on Add Section. Then choose to add a single playlist just right here. This will arrange what your viewers will see first when they come across your channel. Now let's talk about the next hack. You can promote your videos under someone else's video. Have you heard something like that before? Yes, you can do that. Here is how to do it. From your YouTube homepage, click on playlist, and you're going to scroll down. From all the playlists you have, anyone you want to promote, click on play all. And the next thing you will want to do is you copy your link from this and copy it from here. I will go to that person's video link, which is this person's video. I will now, from this and again, I will copy from there, just the way I'm doing. Then you are going to delete that part and you will now paste your own link that you copied earlier. You paste it there. You will now copy this video link and share it with whoever you want to share the video with. When someone clicks that video, all the videos within your playlist will appear on the right hand side of that someone else's video. This will guarantee that once they finish watching the original video you shared with them, the next video that is going to autoplay will be from your own playlist, which means you share somebody's link, but indirectly you are also promoting your video. This hack is a game changer. If you try it, you will never want to go back. Share someone else's link or share a funny video. Indirectly, you are also promoting your own videos. This is actually a great one. One important thing you should not forget is that before you create any content or before you shoot any video, ask yourself these few questions. Is this video to entertain your viewers? Is it to teach them something new or provide a valuable information? So don't just post content for the sake of posting, for the sake of having plenty of content in your channel. Focus on creating videos that either entertain your audience or provide a genuine value. Consistency is also important. Prioritizing quality is crucial for keeping viewers engaged and coming back for more and more in your channel. And last but not the least is learn from your niche. Watch videos from other creators in your niche. Pay attention to their titles, their thumbnail, and overall content style. Engage with their videos, leave a comment, like their videos, and actively engage with their content. By learning from others and watching their videos, indirectly, YouTube is going to be recommending more of those type of videos to you. So this will help you to stay current. You know what is going on in your niche. You know what topic is trending. You know what you want to do next. You can copy their style. You see how you can incorporate it into your own to make your own unique. There's a saying that no one is an island of knowledge, so it's always good for you to learn from others and see how you can grow. Now, what's one tip you will implement immediately to boost your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and also share with friends and family. Bye for now, and I will see you next time.